Good morning, students. Welcome you all in the class of English. Myself Kamalnath, and I am going to discuss today grammar based questions of your exercise chapter 8, grammar and uses and words in use. You know that this week you all are learning question answers of the exercise from the story and some other grammar based questions that enhances your skill, your spoken, your written. So let us see what is in the exercise today to discuss, to understand. I am sure that you will take help, you will understand. At the same time you will write down and complete your exercises in your book, in your copy. So here first is here exercise A. In this you have to choose the correct form of the verb in the brackets to complete each of these sentences. You have been given two options in the bracket. The correct one is to be chosen for the blank so that the sentence will be grammatically correct. And these are here the verbs. And this is the topic based on subject-verb agreement. You have learned what is subject-verb agreement. If the subject is singular, the verb followed in the sentence will also be singular. If the subject is plural in the sentence, the verb will also be plural. This is what known as the subject-verb agreement. And you have read, you know this one. So if the subject is singular, and there are certain rules only. How can you identify whether the subject is singular or plural? So these rules are in the class explained. Let us see here. First is here, already solved in your book, and here in each sentence in the bracket, the highlighted word in red color is the answer. Correct word, correct verb to be filled in the blank. Already given in highlighted word, that is here in the red color. Gymnastics is or are. Options are given and there will be is. Gymnastics is a part of the school's extracurricular activities. So in second one, 10,000 rupees is an enormous sum of money for such a small video. You have been given two options, is or are, and here will be is. 10,000 rupees is an enormous sum of money for such a small video. Mariam and her brother write for the school magazine. Mariam and her brother write, not writes, because there are here two people, so it is here subject becomes plural, and that's why the verb will also be plural, and base form of verb is only plural, that will be write. So Mariam and her brother write for the school magazine. Another here, fourth one question. Streams from nearby areas supply water to their fields. Fifth one is the committee has not agreed on a final decision. Neither candy nor chocolate is good for your teeth. Neither candy nor chocolate is good for your teeth. Not are, is. My favorite music band plays fusion music. My favorite music band plays fusion music. Eighth one. Either my brother or my cousins have played this prank on me. There will be have because the last, the nearby, near the verb, what comes here? Cousins. And that's why the verb will be plural. Next exercise is B. Complete each of the following sentences with was or were. So here you can see in every sentence answer is already given to you in the highlighted words. A great many of them were absent. All of them were touched by the hospitality. A lot of speeches was boring. None of them was boring. None of them was boring. A few of the speakers were. A few is already here plural. It is here no doubt very just less only, but still it is here plural. A few of the speakers were given more time to share their thoughts. A series of slides were shown about the institution. Either of the two plans was fine with me. A small number of them were invited to share their experiences. Next one exercise is here. Use these adjectives from the text. These adjectives that is here given in the questions are from your story. These are to be used from the text to describe something or someone. So that is already here used. You can see a prosperous businessman, a highly practical host, a weird and romantic scene, an unexpected and astonishing event, an incredulous story. Incredulous, unbelievable, incredible. A withered and shrunken old man. That is already here used. Some of them are already used with here nouns and pronouns in the story. A forlorn beggar. A haunting castle. A cheerless lady. A long delayed happiness. Certainly you must have here noted all this one. You'll complete your exercises. Then is here you have to match. The match, that is here adverbs given in first one column from the text that is given in A, you have to match with the words in B. Poetically described the scene. Poetically described the scene. That is already arranged. Correct answer. Nervously came up on the stage. Sharply criticized the plan. Sympathetically listened to the problem. Intently studied the map. So these were what here from the grammar and uses, words in use from the exercise, and certainly you should have understood them. You will complete your exercises and learn them. These all add a lot to your capability, your spoken, your written, and so you are benefited. Thank you students. Wish you all the best. I will come with some new stories, okay, new video from the next week. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you students. Thank you.